Durable versus 10 web. This tutorial compares two popular AI website builders, Durable and 10 web. To help you determine which one is better suited for your needs in 2025, by the end of this guide, you'll understand the strengths and weaknesses of each platform, allowing you to make an informed decision. What is Durable? Durable is an AI driven website builder designed for quick and easy website creation. It has key features such as user friendly interface, AI generated content options, and templates tailored for various industries. Simple drag and drop functionality, ideal for beginners. Limited templates but suitable for rapid deployment. Emphasizes AI generated content for faster setup. Generally positive reviews for ease of use but may lack advanced features. What is TenWeb? TenWeb is a comprehensive website builder focused on WordPress integration. It has key features such as easy WordPress plugin installation, automated backups and security features, and performance optimization tools. More features may require a steeper learning curve, extensive customization options through WordPress themes, focuses on using AI for site performance and optimization, strong community support due to its WordPress base, with plenty of resources available. In conclusion, both Durable and TenWeb have unique strengths that cater to different user needs. If you're looking for a quick and easy setup with AI assistance, Durable may be the better choice. On the other hand, if you require extensive customization and WordPress integration, then web could be more suitable. Consider your specific requirements and budget to make the best decision for your website building journey.